Hello, we're going to find the value of the discriminant and then determine the number and the types of roots. The discriminant comes from this little piece, that is what is under the radical of the quadratic formula, b squared minus 4ac. We're also going to look at the standard form of a quadratic in order to determine what our b, our a, and our c numbers are. But first, let's go ahead and rewrite the given quadratic that they gave us. They gave us 3x squared plus 24 equals 0. So let's rewrite that and make sure that it is in proper standard form. So it's 3x squared. How many x terms do I have? Well, I have 0 x terms. So I'm literally going to put 0 x's. And then my c term is the constant 24. So now I have rewritten it in proper ax plus bx plus c format. Okay, so now we can determine what is our b value. Our b value is going to be the 0 in front of the x. And our a value is going to be the 3 in front of the x squared number. And the c value is going to be, our 24. So now let's go ahead and substitute all those numbers in. B squared, so the b is going to be 0, so it's going to be literally 0 squared minus the 4, and the 4 is multiplied times the a number, which is the 3, and the c number is going to be the 24. So we're going to put a 24 right there, and we just need to use order of operations to work this out. Well, 0 to the second power is just going to be 0. And then we've got negative 4 times 3 times 24. We've got one negative, so the negative will remain because there are no more negatives to cancel it out. And we are going to do 4 times 3 times 24. Let's pull up our handy dandy calculator and see if we can do the, yes, there we go. 4 times 3 times 24 is equal to 288. So 0 minus 288 gives us a negative 288. Well, that is our discriminant. Is the negative 288. What that means is that in the quadratic formula, this number will appear under the radical. Well, what do we know about negative numbers under the radical? Well, negative numbers under the radical are going to generate imaginary numbers. So this is a quadratic. A quadratic has two solutions. So we do have two solutions. And a negative under the radical means that our answers are going to be imaginary. So hopefully this helps you think about this process and helps you understand how to use the discriminant to determine information about your solutions. Two solutions, and they will be imaginary. Click on the subscribe button, click on the like button, come back real soon.